Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I will be resetting the Maxwest Nitro 8 tablet. Very easy steps how to get it done. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing, you want to make sure it's completely turned off. Then you want to press the power and the volume up key at the same time. You want to press on hold. Once the device comes on, release the power. When you get this menu right here, make sure recovery is selected. Then to select that option, press the volume up key. Once you press that, it will restart. Then the recovery menu will pull up in blue letters. Then I will show you what to do next. Once you get this menu right here, you want to use the volume down key to scroll down. Then you want to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power key. Then scroll down to Factory Data Reset, press the power key again. Once it's done formatting, scroll down where it says Wipe Cache Partition. Same thing, down to Yes. Then you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it guys. This is the end of the tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos, and thank you guys for your support. I will see you next time.